What's up everyone, and welcome back to a new video. And today I am going to test my new adapter that I have just recently have bought from Amazon. So this is how the adapter look like. There is a 3-phase adapter on this side, and the European Chaco, I think it's called, contact on the other side where you connect your charger. And this should make you possibly can charge at EV charging stations that the cars are charging at, and that is what we are gonna try out today. Alright, so here I have arrived at the charging station, and I'm showing that when I've started I'm at about 50% of the battery. And right here I'm just showing the adapter again that I connect to the station, and the other side to my charger. It worked out very well. I stayed here for about 10 minutes or so. And right here I turned the ignition on again, just to show you guys how much I've been charged. And right here I'm at 54%, so I had been charging from 50 to 54 for about 10 minutes, so very good.